What's going on, everybody? Beyond Organic Brooklyn here, and I'm looking to take the guesswork out of gardening. I have 6 varieties of tomatoes that I'm currently growing that you need to get in your garden ASAP. Alright, first up, Chef's Choice Orange from Burpee. This is a hybrid slicer. Very good yield. You have them throughout the entire summer. Fantastic choice to have in your garden as a hybrid slicer. Super juicy, great on cheeseburgers and sandwiches. Definitely recommend this as a hybrid slicer. The Thorburns Lemon Blush from Rareseeds.com. Fantastic heirloom slicer. Has a little pinkish hue at the bottom, has tropical notes like a lemon, passion fruit type taste. Juicy, succulent, great on sandwiches. Definitely need to have this in your garden. Now to the smaller tomatoes, the black strawberry heirloom from rareseeds.com. This is a new addition. I'm grateful I went for it. The color is just amazing. You can see the rosy red to dark red, black like hue on the tomatoes. Prolific and disease resistant. Great tasting. It actually has a taste, a hint of strawberry taste when you bite into it, and very juicy. Excellent in a tomato salad. Adds a little color variation, a little taste variation. Definitely need to pick these up and grow them next year. The legendary Super Sweet 100 hybrid from Burpees. Been growing these for a few years now. Fantastic. Recommend them. Prolific, disease resistant. You can count on them every year in and out. You get dozens and dozens of tomatoes a day when you do them right. They taste delicious. There's no complaints here with this one, other than the fact that it's a hybrid. But if you have hybrids and you have heirlooms, you have the best of both worlds here. The Sungold hybrid from Burpees. I've heard so much about them before last summer. I had to try it myself. Definitely up there with the Super Sweet 100s. Very tasty, very reliable, excellent color. My daughter actually likes these the best. She likes the color, she likes the look, and she likes the taste of it. Very dependable, and like I said earlier with the black strawberry, this adds another color and taste profile to a nice tomato salad. Last but not least, we have the white cherry tomatoes. These are heirlooms from Savors Exchange. Fantastic. These have more of a floral note than the other tomatoes. All right, everybody, that's it. That's the 6 varieties I grow. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment. Rewatch the video. I recommend these tomatoes after a couple years of growing and trial and error. These are the 6 that I landed on that I really like.